Hey guys, coming back at you again. Just a really quick one. I'm just going through and uploading a new video on YouTube, and I'm going to need a thumbnail for it. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Really quick, really easy. Hop on over to Canva. You can set up a free account, and I just want something simple that's just going to sort of pop as a thumbnail. Because I'm recording right now, it's a little bit slow, so bear with me. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to bring up a whole bunch of templates. And the good thing about that is it's going to give you the right size. But there is a little trick at the end I'll show you just to make it easy. So you can, of course, start with a blank one. I'm really glazing over just to find one that really catches my attention. Usually bright colors, but it's also got to have something to do with, affiliate marketing. So the climbing one, I do like the colors there, but it's got to be a little bit congruent with what you're doing. I do like the stargazing one because it's sort of straight to the point and you can read it at a glance. I like the pop of color with the red. Let's go with simple. Computers, writing, and then a really simple one. So let's go with that one. So I'll just show you how I very quickly throw it together, save it, and then upload it. Very easy. I used to use Paint, Microsoft Paint, but it's just too much mucking around. This is far easier to use. Now, whatever, I can remember what it's called. Choose the right Clickbank offer. Instill a little bit of inquiry. Pretty simple. Let's just change the color of one of those, I think. Geez, that's quite in your face, isn't it? I think I might just leave it like that. In your face is good. You could even put, if you wanted to, maybe a little bit of something simple down here. Bingo. That'll do. Quick, simple, to the point, no mucking around. Now, a little bit of a trick. When you download it, don't download it direct, just download it to your computer and download it as a JPEG. It's a smaller file, it'll upload quicker, it'll pop up quicker, and sometimes YouTube will say that's too big. So that's a little trick. Download straight to your computer. It's quick, easy, does it. Well, fairly quick. And then all you need to do is choose it, upload it there, which I'll do in just a second. As soon as it finishes uploading. Here we go. So as you're going through, you can actually do it while the video is uploading, which is what I do. Choose a thumbnail. It's in my downloads. It's always the top one. Boom. Easy, easy. There you go. A little tip for you.